A noise was heard from afar, and someone screamed, "Witches have come to New York City." Everyone panicked, searching for a place to run. The whole city fell into chaos as people desperately tried to find a solution. The witches appeared and disappeared across various locations, collecting the souls of men. But then, a man holding a staff stepped forward and commanded, "All witches, vacate this city at once, or I will unleash my power against you." One of the witches sneered and said, "Who are you? What gives you the guts to think you can stop us?" The man only smiled and repeated his warning one last time. Eventually, all the witches attacked him, combining their powers against him. To their shock, no harm came to him. He looked at them calmly and declared, "You are all finished." He raised his staff, and instantly the witches were struck with unbearable pain. One by one, they died and vanished from the city. The people of New York stood in awe. The man simply told them, "I came only to restore balance." Then he turned and left.